Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT King Kong 6 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the display option. Let's tap on it. Now let's tap on advanced, and right under it we've got the wallpaper, so let's tap. And here we've got the albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So we've got on-device wallpapers, so which are pre-installed ones, and my photos, which is basically our own gallery. So let me enter on-device wallpapers, and as I said, here we've got pre-installed options from which we can choose. In order to check the preview of the wallpaper, simply tap on it, and it will appear on the full screen, so you'll be able to decide whether you like it or not. So if you want to apply it, just tap on the stick icon in the right lower corner, and now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a home screen, lock screen, or both. I'll choose both options, so let me tap on it. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.